Hello guys, welcome back to Smart Money TV. In today's video, I want to show you any favorite opinions, alerts, notification settings. So you can go to settings to do some daily tasks, and you can also click on profile to set your profile and others. So as you can see, I've already set up my profile. That is my nickname there, and you can also connect if you have Meta Max wallet. You can also connect it, and if you have Zip Pay wallet, you can also connect it on this Lunarcrush, and you can also connect your Coinbase or any other exchange you have. So by so doing all these things, look at Twitter. You can connect your Twitter account. By so doing all these things, you will get paid for it as well. So you can also get paid by referring your friends to Lunarcrush, and then if you go to your profile, if you go to notification, you will see a lot of things there. Now, if you want to be earning $50 to $100 on a daily basis on Lunarcrush, this is what we do. Now, I want you, if you find value at the end of this video, I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a new video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. And don't forget that everything you are doing on this channel is about making money online. So when you click on notification, Lunar Crush have what we call coin of the day. So when you trade this coin of the day, you will earn a lot of profit. Now what they are doing is that they have some experts that are analyzing market for them. So these experts have done a lot of research, and at the end of the day, they will give you coin of the day in each day, in every blessed day. So and this coin of the day, they will always drop it by 1 p.m. As you can see, 5 hours ago, that's by 1 p.m. to drop this coin of the day. and yesterday on by 1 p.m. as well, the drawing coin of the day, and this is what they have been doing about 6 or 7 months ago. So many people has been really earning a lot of money on this with this coin of the day. So this coin of the day, when they drop it, when you go and check the price, the coin will pump within 24 hours. It will pump, and sometimes this coin always do 100%. Sometimes the coin always do like about 130%, and in most cases almost within 24 to 48 hours, when you buy this coin or when you trade this coin, you will see a lot of profit. So if you are a crypto trader, make sure you trade any coin of the day that was given to you on this platform. If you trade this, you earn a lot of money. And if you don't want to trade, maybe you are scared to trade, you can also buy the coin manually. You can buy it manually. So when you buy it and keep it, so within 2 days, this coin will pump and you will withdraw your money. So let's assume you buy a coin of 50,000 naira or 20,000 naira or $50 or $100, and the coin of the day pump by 100%. When you buy it with $50, definitely you have $100 at the end of the day. So this is how you can earn close to at least $50 in a daily basis. So another thing is that if you are trading it, maybe you are using Royal Q. For those that are using Royal Q, if you are using Royal Q, you earn a lot of profit, because as the coin is going up, coming down, Royal Q will be giving you profits. It will be giving you profits. And for those that are trading Binance, you will earn a lot of money as well. And if you want to buy it manually, you also earn a lot of money. You can check the previous coin of the day. And earn money. You can also go to this watch list and add up to 5 coins. If I have added Dogecoin, I have added Shiba Inu Bitcoin. You can also add some coins on this your watch list to earn a lot of money. So when you click on market, when you click on discover, you can just go through all these things and see a lot of futures and you can also do your own research on it to know more about this Lunarcrush. But to me, I have earned from this Lunarcrush. I have traded the coin of the day, and it's working. And I've also do my own research on the previous coin of the day they have dropped, and I confirm that the coin is always accurate. Their prediction is always accurate. They also have some influencers, some crypto influencers of the day. So you can click on influencers and check them. So this is the top influencer of the day, Lack Davis. So you can click on it and check about him and others. So guys, this is how you can earn money with Lunarcrush. Make sure you trade carefully and happy making money. So if you love this content, if you love what you are seeing, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that when I upload a video like this, you will not miss it. And that is all for today. See you in my next video.